YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to show you how to change a Nissan Sentra key fob battery. Before you do that, you're going to need a CR 2025 battery, which we've got right here, and we'll include a link to those down in the description. In order to change a Nissan key fob battery, the very first thing that you need to do is remove the spare key. So you just push up on this lever right here, and that's going to release the key. So there is the lever. That's going to expose where you're going to insert a screwdriver on the Nissan Sentra key fob battery. So there's a little tab right here. It's got a ledge there. You're going to put your screwdriver in and you're just going to twist, and that's going to open up that ledge like so. And then that opens up the key fob so that you can replace the battery. Once you've got it open, just pry it apart like so. Now we're going to open this one up. This one does have a CR 2032 in it, and they will fit. However, the recommended battery is a CR 2025. So we can show you that right there. It says CR 2025, and that's what we're replacing it with. But if you're in a pinch, a CR 2032 will work. Now we've got our CR 2025. We're going to put it, you see the plus symbol, you want to put the plus symbol down as well. So we put the plus symbol down, all the text is looking down, and now we're going to put the key fob battery back together. We're just going to take the key fob, the two pieces, slide them in place on top of each other, and then we're going to press and make sure everything clicks. And now we've got our Nissan Sentra key fob battery replaced. Slide in the key, and you are all set. So thanks for watching how to install or replace a Nissan key fob battery for your Nissan Sentra key fob. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.